Jai Hind students. I am Shashi Kumar Seth, teacher of SS English Academy. Today I am going to start integer of class 7. What is an integer? All natural number, 0 and negative of a counting number are called integer. Look at here, just like a -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the example of integer, and integer are two types: positive integer and negative integer. For positive integer, just like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash infinity, and negative integer is equal to -1, -2, -3, -4 dash dash minus infinity. So I am going to start properties of addition of an integer. There are 5 properties of addition of integer. First property is the closure properties. Closure properties mean that we have the sum of a two number always is an integer. Suppose we are adding 4 plus 5. Here 4 is an integer and 5 is an integer. That means 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Mean that 9 is also integer. It is a closure property. Second is a commutative property. Commutative property means that if we have two variables are numbered, suppose a plus b, when we replace the place of the variable or number, there is no difference between result. Just like a plus b is equal to b plus a. For example, if 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 3 plus 4 is equal to also 7. So it is a commutative law. Next law is a associative law. In associative law, there are three variables: a plus b in one bracket plus c is equal to a plus in another bracket b plus c. And fourth is a additive identity. In this property, a plus 0 is equal to 0, mean that if any number we add 0, resulted always 0. And additive inverse is equal to a minus a is equal to 0. mean किसी भी नंबर में अगर हम माइनस नंबर जोड़ देते हैं तो वो नंबर हमेशा क्या हो जाता है? 0 हो जाता है. सपोज +4 और +4 में हम क्या जोड़ें कि वो 0 हो जाएगा? डेफिनेटली श्योर -4 यदि हम ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. सो देयर आर 5 प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर. And first question is find the sum. Here 153 and minus 302. How can we solve this question? So look at here, 153. Here and means just like a plus. So you can write 153 plus in another bracket minus 302, and 153 plus minus multiply minus 302, and you subtract this number 302 minus 153. Here 2 and here 3. 2 is smaller than 3, so you take a 1 carry here. Here 12 and 12 subtracted from a 3 we get 9, and here 9 and 9 subtracted from a 5 we get 4, and here 2 subtracted from a 1 we get 1. So its answer is a 149. But here -1 minus 302 is a bigger number. That's why you will put here the symbol of a minus. Clear? Now second question is a minus 238 and here plus 500. 500 subtracted from 238. Here 10, 8, 10 subtracted from 8 we get 2, and here 9, 9 subtracted from 3 we get 6, and here 4, 4 subtracted from 2 we get 2. 262. Here 500 is greater number, so you will put here plus, but you can write here plus or you can left as you wish. This is a subtraction. Minus 36 from 42. Minus 36 from 42 इन सब्ट्रैक्शन अगर फ्रॉम आ जाता है तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सेकेंड वाली नंबर को सबसे पहले लिख देते हैं. इन केस ऑफ फ्रॉम, minus 36 from 42 you will write a first second number, after that write first number. 42, this is a subtraction, that's why you will write here minus and here minus 36. 42 minus minus plus 36. 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Its answer is a 78. And here minus 37 from minus 53, you will write here minus 53 and minus 37. Minus 53 minus minus plus 37. 53 subtracted from 37. You will write here 16. Here 53 is bigger than 37. That's why you will write here minus. And third question is find the additive inverse. Additive inverse means just like a reciprocal of a symbol. आप यदि कोई भी क्वेश्चन माइनस में दिया है तो माइनस को प्लस में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए और प्लस को माइनस में. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट इज द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 5? माइनस 5. What is the additive inverse of 11 is equal to minus 11? What is the additive inverse of minus 15 is equal to plus 15? So here is a minus 53. That's why you will write here plus 53, and it is 72. That's why you will write here minus 72. So I am going to start next question. See this question, student. Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34. How can solve this question? Look at here. Firstly, solve this part. Clear? You will write here minus 1032 and means plus 878. Clear? From minus 34. Clear? Solve this part. Minus 1032 subtracted from 878 we get 154. Right? 154, but you look at here, minus 1034 bigger than 878, that's why you will put here minus. Clear? From minus 34. Clear? And here minus, that's why you will write firstly this number. Clear? यहाँ पर from है तो सबसे पहले आप इस नंबर को राइट कर दीजिए. क्लियर? minus 34 from convert into minus, and here minus 154, create one bracket, minus 154. Clear? And minus 34 minus minus plus. Clear? 154. 154 subtracted from minus 34, we get 120, and you will write here 120. Clear? This is your answer. Clear? See, student, see this question. The sum of two integers is minus 16. If one of them is 53, find the other number. How can solve this question? Look at here. Firstly, you will write, let the other number be x. Clear? And x plus first number is 53, that's why you will write here 53 is equal to minus 16. Clear? And transpose this number right side. Clear? X is equal to minus 16 and minus 53. जब किसी भी नंबर को लेफ्ट से राइट ले जाते हैं या राइट टू लेफ्ट लाते हैं तो उसका सिंबल चेंज हो जाता है. x is equal to 3, 6, 9, 5 plus 1, 6. Clear? And here 53 is bigger number and its sign is a minus, that's why you will put here minus. Mean other number is minus 69. Clear? See this question. Multiply 6 by 9. Multiply means that you will do only in a simple method multiply. 6 9 ja 54. 6 into 9 means 54. Clear? And here minus 14 into 3 is equal to 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28, 14 3 ja 42. And see this question. Divide 65 divided by minus 13. Clear? Mean answer is a minus 5. Clear? Because 13 5 just 65. Clear? And look at here. Minus 105 divided by minus 21. 21 का 105 पे डिवाइड करेंगे कितना आएगा? 5 आएगा. Clear? And minus minus plus. Clear? Simplify. Minus 8 into 9 plus minus 8 into 7. Look at here. minus 8 here 2 times. Clear? यहाँ पे minus 8 कितनी बार आया है? 2 बार. तो आप एक बार minus 8 कॉमन कर लीजिए. minus 8 in bracket 9 plus 7. Clear? minus 8 into 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Clear? And 16 8 ja 128. Here minus, that's why you will put here minus. Clear, student? Thank you.